What's up, you guys? It's me, Lexi here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today it's gonna be another awesome video because today we will be counting my fidgets. I do not know where to start. Like, there's so many fidgets. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take them all out. I was in the process of doing that before I started the video, you know. So my guess of fidgets is gonna be 73. I don't know how much I do actually have. So yeah. So basically, I am really excited because who doesn't love counting your fidgets when they collected so much and I want to count them. So let us get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, we're still here. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. So we passed 73. It is 81 fidgets. Comment down your guesses, guys. I cannot believe I have 81 fidgets. That was so fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, people. I just noticed my socks are dirty.